Beverly, how you doing? I'm hoping for a good day today. You got a call for me? Yeah. Who is it? Patricia. Wonder what she want. I haven't heard from her in over a year. She sound frantic. Okay. But you're true. Oh, what is now? Alright, put her through, Beverly. Alright, thank you. Hello? Yes. Patricia! What breeze blow you while you call me at the office? What is it? Oh, you so? Why you ball? Patricia! Stop the car bowling and just tell me what's going on. I can't help you, Patricia, if you're going to be crying like that. Yeah. Take your time. What? You had a baby. You lie. Oh my God. Man, on a postnatal depression you have now, you know, Mrs. Go see your doctor. No, it's not that. You've been to your doctors for years, 6 weeks. Checkup, yeah. But you wasn't sure whether the baby was your husband's. No, don't tell me that, Patricia. Don't tell me them kind of slackness, because I don't want to start cursing you. No, for real. You took a DNA test, yeah. And you asked him to send you the result through the mail, but him want a phone call. So the letter come first. Him not get the phone call from the office yet. No. Lord Jesus. So he's not the father. Jesus Christ, we feel like we did back more sure. You lie. Tyrone I go bust your ass up when him find out. Patricia, how will you go saka? Oh no. You was messing that little Thai boy in it. I feel him pitney in it. Lord G, and that the little Thai boy where you did mess about, him knows broader than Broadway. What y'all say? The baby look like him? No. Lord Jesus, Pato. Oh my God. Don't tell me don't be like that. So what y'all gonna do now? Because I'm gonna call him any day now. You asking me a favor? Oh God, here we go. I smell a rat. What you want me to do now, Patricia? You want me to act like the nurse from the doctor's office and tell him say he is the father? We can't do them that wickedness. That is, you know you're a wicked girl. I mean, who say him kick your nails? No, you can't tell a lie like that. Every man deserves to know the truth. No, man, you know, you see, you're a nasty little bitch, huh? Nasty little bitch, eh? Lord Jesus, I know you have the audacity after me not hear gunfire from you in over a year, and you go saka out and go breathe for next man. I want hungry man Jackie. You are asking me to commit a sin and call the man and act like saying he's the father. Patricia, really? How much you are paying me? No, how much are you paying me? If I'm going to lie, I got to get payment. Because me the one, you know, where I forgot fast for 40 days and 40 nights and ask for forgiveness. So you better, and that's going to hurt my belly. Right, so you better give me some money. Right, write me out a check, you little bitch, yo. Yes. Alright, let's do it for you. Yeah. What Tyrone last name? Mr. Tick Dick? Mr. Patricia, stop. Are you serious? Mr. Tick Dick? Large, well, in Dick now, say nothing, because you have read somebody else. Hold on, let me get a pen. Jesus Christ. Alright. When cell number? 842 631 2289. Let me repeat that. 842 631 2289. And it's Mr. Thick dick. Oh my God. All right, me call you back. All right then. Bye. Jesus, forgive me if you want me about for the Lord. Please, I beg. I'm about to be friend. I don't want that man to kick her out of the house. Hello? Good day. Is this Mr. Thick Dick? Yes. Hi. This is Miss Cicely from the doctor's office pertaining to the results of the DNA test for your wife. Congratulations, Mr. Thick Dick. The child is yours. You are the father. Oh, you're happy. Oh, you're jumping for joy. Yes. You only got a little problem. What? You want to know how the pitney nose broad? It must be a kickback. That's how they would call it too. Yeah, you're from Jamaica, yeah? Alright then. You don't know, me sure says somebody from your family way back yonder, couple generation, probably was African. And you know African have broad nose. But you don't understand it because you're mixed. And all your family knows is straight. Let me tell you something, sir. That can happen. Yeah, you never see how this black and white couple, yeah? Them did have twins, and one of the twins come out white and one come out black. True story, man. Google it. Research it on YouTube. It's a little kickback. Yeah, the pitney is yours. 99.9. Yes. When the pitney get older, you have to go do surgery for the nose because the nose too broad. Don't be like that. And don't treat this child indifferent, you know. Okay, let me tell you something, Mr. Thick Dick. After you pitney. Well, in Willie Big, in see it they know. No, you're Willie them called Thick Dick. No, you have the donkey dick. And the pitney come up with big too. So I feel you pitney, man. Yeah, me I tell you. Anyway, congratulations. Sir. Me happy for you. And tell your wife congratulations too. I know she is happy. Alright. Take care, darling. Bye.